Nityanandam. My name is Binoy Joseph and I am doing my Inner Awakening April 2012. I am from Kerala and I work in Bangalore as a software engineer in Oracle. So I just want to share some of my personal experiences during this Inner Awakening. So one of the sessions, just 1 week is over now, and one of the sessions that impacted me a lot was the relationship. So I never thought I had relationship problems as such, because family was smooth. Okay, there were some small quarrels and all, but during the session, and I would never have got all these insights without Swamiji's presence. So during the relationships program with Swamiji, I got a lot of insights and clarity to why I behave the way I behave now. See, finally, your future, your destination, where you are, depends on your patterns, on your emotions and behaviors. So I could find out that what I behave now, how I behave now, was related to some small misunderstandings or some patterns that I developed during my childhood, okay, with my parents. They were not big, but I was not aware of them till that relationships program. And once I was aware of them, I suddenly knew that this was the reason why I behaved like this all the time, all these patterns. So it was a tremendous relief. I called up my parents, told them that these are my misunderstandings, please forgive me. And for the first time I told them, I love you all. So I mean, I really believe that from now onwards we would all have a beautiful, rich relationship. So what I understood from all this Inner Awakening program and what Swamiji and the Ashramites, the people, are trying to give us is help us create a beautiful life, stress-free, a conflict-free, a blissful life. I mean, the way we were when we were children. We did not think of anything. We just behaved innocently. So that, bringing back to that original lifestyle. And another thought that I had was, what Swamiji shared was, there are 3 things that stop us from becoming back to that whole source: relationship, sex, money. So we are stuck in all these things. So he's just trying to relieve us from all these negative engrams and patterns that we carry in our mind, so that we just be blissful. So I've been really impacted, and I just wish all of them were here, all of you were here, and enjoy this experience. And what I noticed in this program is there are less of, not too much speeches and discourses. I mean, you don't have to listen to a lot of speeches. They are very practical techniques used nowadays. More of action and his energy darshan, that's it. That will give you your clarity. So what he tells is, the body, he does not trust our minds. See, I attended some other programs, listened to the programs. After 1 or 2 weeks, I just forget all of them. But he knows that the mind cannot be trusted. He makes sure that the body records whatever he wants to tell, and whatever has to happen, the best has to happen. The body records it. So I am really grateful for this opportunity, and wish you all to be part of this program experience. Thank you.